Like, if you heard who I am from somebody, perhaps if you can get her to talk to you, you should go consult my children's mother and ask her who she knew me to be before she let certain individuals convince her otherwise. Because I'm going to promise, if that's not the source of your information, you have been misled. And I'm not going back to jail. My sons are grown. There's no young and impressionable years of my children to impart my philosophy to them, or impress anything upon their thoughts or ways. There's no custody. The baby will be 21 this year. So, like, nothing I was fighting for exists to fight for anymore. Now, if I've told you to stay off of my property and away from me, I guarantee you I have a screenshot of the text, and I have the text thread archived. I also have an Excel spreadsheet marking any behavior according to Alabama law that could be construed as harassment or stalking or baiting by a reasonable person. Like cutting across my neighbor's yard and staring, or parking yards to the edge of my neighbor's yard, almost property line pointed in my yard, and standing making chicken noises at it, by me at it, like in front of some chick. That's real cute, especially from a snitch. Like, actually, I don't even want to acknowledge that. That's enough of that. Excuse me. But yeah, like, if you don't actually know me, you get my children's mother to talk to you and to tell you who she knew me to be before my alleged family convinced her otherwise. My same alleged family that likes to try to drive people crazy and kick them out of the car and then pretend they don't know how to get there. Or like the Montgomery federal defender, the day I got transported to Montgomery, showed me the 7 complaints filed to the FBI and the person's initials that were reduced to initials for purposes of anonymity. And it was not Reddit. I don't care if the person on Reddit complained or not. They were not actually on my motion of discovery plaintiffs at all. Now, I don't know that my dad may not have an email from an attorney saying that it was Reddit, because, you know, like, there was some funding applied by him as well, and, you know, I don't know. I'm not saying. I'm not gonna. I like my lawyers. I'm not gonna accuse my lawyer that. I ain't gonna put that on them, but I wouldn't put it past my parents. And I tell my kids it was Reddit because of my mother's relation to the brat that fucking did it. But it's my fault for reacting to their fucked up bullshit, and not their fault for being fucked up. Always. I don't nobody make no goddamn excuse for me. I don't give a fuck. I ain't threatening nobody. I ain't fucking calling nobody's name. I ain't saying shit about fuck, really. I'm just telling it like it is.